I got some falsies on, chill. Hey everybody, it's your girl KturaKay and I'm back with another video. So today we're going to be talking about lashes, okay? And I love a nice natural long lash. Like, y'all just don't know. I used to wear lash extensions. I used to wear strips, which I still wear strips. I mean, who doesn't wear strips? But lash extensions, my experience with lash extensions were kind of bittersweet. Like, I love how they look. I love the volume, the length. I just love it. But if you keep getting them done time after time after time after time, your lashes will get weak. So you want to be aware of that. Nothing is wrong with lash extensions. Like I said, I love them, but my lashes got so weak to the point where like I almost didn't have like any lashes. Like it was horrible. Like it was really horrible. So I've been trying to go on without getting lash extensions and kind of sort of without wearing strip lashes either. So this has been a lifesaver. Like I didn't even expect it to be that good. Like when they sent it to me, I'm like, okay, another mascara. Like, you know, everybody says that, like another mascara, because everybody comes out with so many products like so fast, and it's like I didn't even get to use this one yet. I didn't even get to use it, you know. I mean, I haven't even been using it that long, but it is by far the best mascara that I have tried thus far. I used to love, which one was that? They're Real. And I also used to love Better Than Sex. Another one of my favorites was the Lancome Monsieur Big, I believe. But this one is, oh my god. In the video, you're gonna see how many coats it took to get this look. Like, y'all are gonna be amazed. It gave me volume, and length. Like, seriously. So without further ado, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos and to be notified when I post my huge giveaway that's coming up. So you definitely want to stay tuned. And I just wanted to show y'all this. Like, look at the flexibility in this wand. Look how nice and spiky it is. Like, it's gonna give you some really nice long lashes and define them, and I can't wait to show y'all how to use it. So let's get started. My natural lashes, and I get lash extension. They kind of rip my lashes out, I'm not even gonna lie. I would say try to stay away from those. I don't know, you just have to go to the right person. You have to go to someone that's going to keep the maintenance up, so you don't have to like pick at them, because if you pick at your eyes or you rub your eyes a lot, they'll fall out and you have to keep getting it redone and it's going to make them weaker and weaker. So beware of that. So these are my natural lashes. So I'm going to go in with coat number 1. Literally one coat. Right now, what I'm looking at is like 2 or 3 coats of other mascaras I use, like some of my faves too. I dip it in once. It's just brand new. I don't you just love a brand new mascara? You don't have to keep dipping it in multiple times. It's coat 1. Ooh, I'm loving it already, y'all. Like, no lie, like this is about to be my go-to. Okay, so let's go in with coat 2. I hate it when it gets up here. I usually do my eyeshadow and stuff first, but I just wanted to focus on the lashes today. This is coat 2. Getting a little clump right here. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Thank God, because I hate really clumpy lashes. Let me dip it one more time for this one. This is coat 2 on this side. It's not just super long, it's like nice and full also. So you're gonna just go in and wiggle upward. So now it's starting to clump because I keep messing up. Well, I keep just bothering that one area. When you wiggle while it's wet, like it's starting to dry, when you wiggle while it's wet, you'll prevent that clumping from happening. Look, I got some falsies on, chill. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with another coat. Another one. Hopefully this will be the last one. I think this might be my last one. Because nobody's gonna sit there and put on like 5 or 10 coats, especially if it's doing this. Like, this is amazing. So, and I'm a mascara wearer on top and bottom lashes, so I can't wait to see how it's going to make my bottom lashes look. So I would say I would just go with 3 coats, honestly, because I feel like it's reached its max. You know, you don't want it to be too clumpy or, you know, strandy, but it literally looks like something off of a commercial, like seriously. I love it. Okay, let's do the bottom. And I love how how flexible this tip is. Like, look at that. It's really flexible, so it's not gonna really get stuck down there. It'll move around the way you want it to. Not even gonna, I missed something. I got it on my face. That's all. Fix it. Oh God, hit myself in the eye. I'm gonna leave it at 2 coats at the bottom because I don't fuck some shit up. I done messed some stuff up now. So fixing mascara, if you're doing your bottom lashes and it gets down here, it's honestly an easy fix. You're gonna take a nice flat brush, kind of like I use this for like my brows. So you're gonna take a nice flat brush and you're just gonna go under the lash. I know I'm a little crazy, but you're gonna go under here and just cover it up with that concealer. And then you can take your finger or anything else that's kind of like small. I'm gonna just take my pinky finger and do it because you have more control, and you're just gonna pat it in. Give it one more coat and try not to mess up this time. Got it. That was it. Concealer. The only thing about doing your concealer after you do your bottom lashes is that it'll get on your lashes, so you want to try to prevent that. So there we have it. Thank you all so much for watching. Like, I'm in love. Like, I'm just feeling my lashes now, because I don't know if you've ever had mascara on and then like touch it and then it's like clumps coming off. Like, I'm gonna do that test right now. Nothing right here. Nothing. And I just want to make sure it's not clumping them. So they're dry now. So if they're not clumping, and like y'all saw me put them at the bottom, it's amazing. Like, I'm in love. Like, this is like my new favorite mascara. I'm gonna be telling everybody about it because everybody's like, what's a good mascara? What's this? Like, everybody always asking me for like tips. So this is on my list. It's on my list. My top 3, I would give this a 9, like a 9, a strong 9. The only reason why I would not give it a perfect 10 is because of the fact that it was kind of clumping a little bit. So you have to put in a little bit of work as far as putting it on, just so it won't clump up, because you definitely don't want that to happen. So that's the Bad Gal Bang lash, and I really hope you all enjoyed this. I definitely think you all should try it. It's worth every penny, in my opinion. Yeah, so definitely if you want to get your lashes banging, I really just feel like I have on some lash extensions right now. Like, I probably could go out, and I've had people, like, my lashes were to the point where they were so nice and long before I started getting those freaking lash extensions. I've had people ask me, like, you have on lash extensions? Like, people that's close to me, and I'm like, no, like, I don't have on anything, like, just mascara. And I'm really trying to get my lashes back, and I really think this mascara is going to be the trick that I'm going to start using instead of wearing falsies and damaging my lashes. So that's that. I really hope you all enjoyed my review. I want to give y'all my honest opinion about this mascara, and I definitely think you all should give it a try. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed, and give me a thumbs up if you like long, voluptuous if you like long full lashes. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.